Hello everyone, and welcome to Power Pages Tips. My name is Nicholas Hayduke, and this is tip number 247. Power Automate Integration Updates. In November 2023, the Power Automate Cloudflow integration with Power Pages became generally available. I covered the basics of the integration in tip 234, but there are some new things introduced as part of the general availability. First, you can manage your Cloudflows directly in the Power Pages Design Studio. This is done in the Setup workspace by going to Cloudflows in the Integrations area. Here, you can add an existing flow or create a new one. Also new are a few items passed in via the trigger body of the When Power Pages Calls a Flow trigger. This includes the ID and URL of the site, and the ID of the contact who called the flow. These allow you to contextualize your flow and build logic around who or where the trigger came from. Finally, files are now supported as input and output parameters for your Cloudflow. The Microsoft documentation provides a cool example of building an image library leveraging this new feature. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found the Power Pages tip number 247 on Power Automate integration updates useful.